My name is Mark Thompson. I'm a director at Techlan Ltd in Swansea. The business was set up in 2009. We spent 5 years in a research and development stage. So we've developed innovative recycling technology. So we take a waste silicone release paper from a manufacturing process and we run that through our cleaning technology, and our end product from that process, what we sell, is a recycled silicone release paper. Now, silicone release papers are used in the printing and graphics industry, they're used in the adhesive tape industry, the composite. So biggest challenge to date has been to develop innovative technology that has never been developed before. You know, we're only a small family-owned business and we had a major technical challenge to overcome. We had limited resources to do that, and the biggest challenge, I suppose, has been financial constraints. Produce something of world-class technology that's never been done before, so a lot of challenges along the way. The last 6 to 9 months making the manufacturing line more efficient, not having any experience in that field. So if I was going to do something differently, I would maybe bring in external help, like an interim manager or something like that. Apart from the birth of my children, I would say probably receiving the Composites UK Environment Award at the end of 2015. So they recognised the work that we were doing and the solution we were providing to the composites industry. Best marketing advice is to know your customer. Know where your customer is, know where they are, where they hang out. Also, you know, it's really important to find out what your customer wants. If you know what your customer wants, then you can deliver them their service or the product that they want. Originally, myself and my co-director, Roger, made an investment into the company specifically just to develop the idea, the research and development stage. During that time, we had assistance from the Welsh Government and from RAP Cymru, the Waste Resource Action Programme. Both of those organisations helped us a lot in terms of our development of the technology, and without, I suppose, that assistance, we really would have struggled to develop the business and the process to where it is now. Top 3 business tips. Look after your customers, make sure they're happy. Make sure your customer is always happy, no matter what it takes, and no matter how you don't like it, look after them. Secondly, make sure your staff are trained well. Internal training for your staff is really, really important, as is looking after your staff. Make sure your staff are happy. If your staff are happy, they won't go elsewhere, and they'll also look after your business.